Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics. Early Year Foundation Stage 3. Today we're going to explore the delightful world of fruits and some fascinating facts. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's name some fruits. Repeat after me. Orange. Cherry. Strawberry. Grapes. Watermelon. Apple. Pineapple. Banana. Mango. And blueberry. These are all tasty and colorful fruits. Now, did you know that mango is the national fruit of Pakistan? It's a special fruit that's loved by many people in Pakistan. Remember, every fruit has its unique taste and story. So, keep exploring the wonderful world of fruits and learning new things every day. Fruits are not only delicious, but also full of interesting facts. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video.